name's Eric. I was here last year actually, so nice to see you all again. I'm a computer science major at Texas A&M, and my family is from Korea.
Hello, my name is Steven. I study at the University of Houston. I study math, and my parents are from Vietnam, but I live in Houston.
Hello everyone. I'm also at the University of Houston. My major is Global Hospitality and Leadership. Oh, Ryan. Sorry. I was born here, but my parents are Chinese, so they were born in China.
Hi everyone, my name is Yan Hao. I graduated from UT and I volunteer with the organization. And my parents are from Singapore and Malaysia.
My name is Eliza. I'm from UT Austin and I'm a film major. I was born here in Houston, Texas, but my parents are from the Philippines.
Hi everyone, my name is Hannah. I also work for the organization we're here with, InterVarsity. I went to Trinity University in San Antonio, and my parents are from Taiwan.
Hello, my name is Joshua. I graduate University of Houston, and I was born in America in Houston, but my parents are from Taiwan as well.
Hi, I'm Justin Chang. I'm also from the University of Houston, and I'm Josh's brother, so I also have a parents from Taiwan.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your coming. Is anyone want to share from you anything? Okay, could you please come and share? Okay.
Hello again. I'm Anna, and this week we've been gathering since Friday in this room actually with us, and there's a total of almost 30 students and almost 10 staff, so like 40 people, so kind of like this size, learning a lot about God's heart for justice, especially in the Asian and Asian American community. And this is, even though I work for InterVarsity, this is my first time going through the program, so